gun is the complaint right now. Just don't use it. Correct? Don't have to you know, do all that just to make a point. We know the point. We know we should flash. You know. No. He means heavy bowgun. He means heavy bowgun. If there is a consolation in Center 4, I kind of want times there is an achievement and unlock it. I was like, heck, I'm good. Yeah, nice. Why should I use it? The question is, why should I? I don't feel like using it. Why should I use it? Right, Lucy? A matter of fact, I think I run this place, not you. I am the true gummy lord. You are not the true gummy lord. You are one of my gummies, okay? Am I doing this on purpose, guys? Do you think I am not trying? Oh no, everyone in chat is gonna be like, yep, you are trolling. Oh god, I'm gonna get backstabbed by my own gummy family. Oh shoot. This is bad. Am I using the correct one? No, I don't think I'm using the correct one. This right? Yeah. There we go. No, don't join them, please, mom. Don't join them. So 3 is flash, 2 is bomb, 1 is... There we go. Stab. There we go. No, I missed! There we go. 2, 3. Jump up. 2, 3. Do this. Jump up. 1, 2, 3. I think I stuck it on the freaking... Yeah, I think I actually stuck it on the wing. No idea how I did that. Oh no. 2, jump back. Stab. Oh no. Is that Basil? I think that's Basil. Oh yeah, it's at the other side. Oh god. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, afflicted Espinance. And also 1 card. This quest only has 1 card, so yeah. It's a don't get hit simulator. If you get hit, you die. There we go. Ooh. I'm actually waiting for this auntie driver to reverse her car. Oh god. Ah, no wonder. Yeah. Auntie driver, are you outside right now? Why are you outside on your phone? Oh no, we lost Lucy. Oh no, where did Lucy go? Where did Lucy? Oh no, Lucy just left. Did internet die? Oh no. There we go. There we go. Go back here. Going home, but this auntie driver. Oh no. Oh, you get home safely, mom. Look, Lucy, I'm just gonna point this out. You don't really have to feel that upset or prove a point, right? I'm just saying, we are just vibing here, right? If you don't feel like it, it's fine. You don't have to feel upset because of it. Okay? Just saying. We are all vibing here. We troll, we do stuff together, and we have a good time. That's it. If you are so uptight about it, then I rather not hunt. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. So sorry to say it. I don't normally want to say this to my viewers, but yes, if you don't feel like it, it's fine. If you have a bad day, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I hope your day will go well. You know, you'll have a better day tomorrow or something like that. But yes, if you can't take a little bit of trolling here and there, or you know, yeah, I'm just gonna say it. No hard feelings. I'm just saying. But yes, I'm just letting you know, alright? We are just all vibing here. Oh god. No! Defiance! I need my defiance, god damn it. Oh jeez, oh jeez. There we go, stab. Oh no. Ambush, guys, ambush! Thank god. Oh, that's GG. There we go. Just to clear things up, I did not in any point in time on my stream want to fail that quest multiple times, alright? If I could flash, I would have flashed. If I could heal, I could have healed, okay? When I am not even on the same page as your mental state thinking, you know? Same thing 5 times in a row, why? I was not there. I was not there. You want me to flash the air and somehow magically it appears in front of Espinaz? Even so, if I was there, if I have my weapon drawn, I need to freaking pack that shit up and then flash it. I don't have time, alright? Last high rank mission before lightning god. Oh god, you're going to fight Zinogre? God damn. Well, good luck with Zinogre. I think, no, lightning god. Wait, lightning god. There's only one lightning lord, right? Zinogre is the lightning lord. Do you mean? Oh, goddess. Ah, I see. You mean you gotta because lightning god technically means Zinogre. So for in my books at least, in my books, Zinogre is the thunder lord or lightning lord, if you would say that. And lightning goddess would be Narwa. So good luck with that. The goddess, my queen. My queen! The mama! Yes, exactly, mom. The mama. The sunbreak equivalent of the Asian mom. Oh god. Ah,